Terry and Lydia here. Today we're in Camas, Washington. We're going to walk the Heritage Trail, which is right by Lacamas Lake, and it's 3.5 miles long. So that means, Lydia, it's a 7-mile round trip.
I hope we will make it.
What did I get myself into today? That's not usually my thing.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We're still young.
Thinking young.
Somebody did comments on our YouTube and they said, "Oh, you guys young. When 80 plus, then it's like." So
I guess
young.
we'll take that.
We'll take it.
I've actually been looking forward to walking this trail because I always knew it was here and we've just never done it. We have walked the trails that circle Round Lake that are really nearby this, and the trails around Fallen Leaf Park, and both of those are nice trips too. This one's just longer, and so I'd kind of just kept putting it off till a nice cooler day. Well, we didn't end up with a cooler day today. It was warmer than I expected, but we're gonna move forward and see how it goes. Found a little rest spot here. We started this hike from the Lacamas Heritage Park trailhead, and when you get there, they've got some nice parking. And they've also got restrooms, which is great. Of course, while you're there, you could just enjoy the park and go down and see the lake, but in this case, we're actually just walking the trail. Here we came to these docks. One of them at least had signage that said it belonged to the HOA for the homes up there. These homes are all part of that Lacamas Shores HOA that have the docks and this park here. But we can continue on the trail, which has public access. Now this hike one way is 3.5 miles, so a return trip 7 miles like we said, and right now we're pretty close to halfway. And if we continue, we'll end up going past Green Meadows Golf Course. Well, we just came back to the Heritage Trail. We got a little hot yesterday, and so bagged it for that day and came back, and so now we're back at where we finished last time, and we're going to finish the trail today. So it was beautiful on the way here. We're looking for more of that on the way to the end. Okay, here's the other side of the Lacamas Creek Heritage Trail on the corner of Goodwin and Alexandria. They've got a restroom here and a parking lot, though the parking lot's not real big. So we have to admit, we walked about halfway yesterday, like I said, and then looped back and went back to our car, came back today from the other side of the trail from the Goodwin Road trailhead. So now we'll walk back to where we stopped last time, and then when we come back, we'll know we completed the whole thing, and each day we did about 3.5 miles. It's beautiful down here. This is Lacamas Creek, which flows into Lacamas Lake. Lydia and I travel quite a bit, and if we're not doing videos about our cruising around the world or traveling around the country on road trips, we try to find new things to see right here in the Pacific Northwest. Let's go see what we find today and just enjoy the scenery. Well, now we're back to the place where we kind of put an end to our walk last time, so we've done the whole trail. And so now we'll start heading back to the Goodwin Trailhead where we started our day today. First, we just got to enjoy these little ducklings. And by the way, as I mentioned before, we've got videos about our cruise trips, our ship tours, how much did it cost for us to go 60 days on cruise ships, and videos about places to go here in the Pacific Northwest. Please check them out.